Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Yaris time. Full guide. Press menu, then select Setup and Clock. Next, adjust hours, minutes, and AM or PM if available, using the dial or touchscreen, then confirm by pressing OK or Save. If your model offers automatic time sync via GPS or Bluetooth, consider toggling it on for accuracy. Finally, double-check the displayed time and repeat if adjustments are needed. Start by confirming the clock format, since 12-hour versus 24-hour modes change how AM and PM behave. Gently operate buttons and use a soft tool if needed to avoid scratching trim or buttons. When syncing to a reference time, change minutes first for fine adjustments, then tweak hours. Always press OK to store the new setting. If time repeatedly resets, check battery connections or vehicle settings for power retention. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait for the car to update, and it pairs nicely with road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If your system supports automatic sync, enabling Bluetooth or GPS can keep your clock accurate without manual changes. Pair your phone and ensure it allows time sharing, and confirm GPS time sync is active when parked with a clear sky. Automatic updates are useful during daylight saving changes and long trips across time zones. Rely on auto sync for convenience and only use manual mode when you need to override the displayed time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.